How to do the paper trading in TradingView. This is what you will learn in this video. The method is extremely simple. You just need to open the stock or a crypto coin in which you want to practice the paper trading. Once it is displayed, or if you're on any chart, you just need to click this open panel arrow up icon. Once you will click that, you will see the different apps that you can connect with the TradingView. Right on the top left, you will see the paper trading. You just need to click that and it will ask you to connect. So once it is done, you will get the paper money. By the way, if you want to adjust that money in this setting, you can change that also. However, the default money will be displayed. If you have incurred any loss or profit, that will also be displayed here. In the bottom, you can see your open positions, your orders, order history, balance history, and then the trading journal will also be displayed here. You can customize the columns on the bottom, and once you want to trade a coin or a stock, you just need to click this trade, and then here you will add a price. So if you want to buy at market rate, you will go in this tab. Otherwise, you want to place a limit order, you need to click that. For stop loss, you need to click that. Fill the requisite detail and click buy, and you will be able to buy it. Similarly, if you want to sell it, you can also sell that. You can also buy or sell that just by clicking these icons on the top left side. Now, if I have selected the sell button, you will see that the overall color scheme has changed to the red color. So again, market rate, limit order, and stop loss, you can add all the requisite detail here and click sell. And this is the easiest and explanation of the how can you do the paper trading in